Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this.
They keep on telling us we the next generation, we gotta do good, but we watch y'all and y'all not doing nothing with yourselves. So if you want us to be good, y'all need to set an example for us.
On Detroit.
Yes, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I first, and all things that's good. Welcome all viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make it help grow the platform. You know, see, Ahmaud Abery. Once again, I mentioned the youth there. See, sure, I've mentioned him before. See, the American youth will get killed by the two racists, father and son. You know, I think that's district named Summerfield in America. You know, see, but the development from day one, you know, since to the whole case happened, you know why I'm too like talk about things that go on in America or American struggle too tough. Because you see the American themselves, them act protective of themselves and them culture when them choose to. You know, see, them will allow you to share them pain and things like that, but them not want you sharing at the takings. Like them bringing in segregation and separatism and division, divisiveness even amongst their own population when you know, time of harvest, or it look like something that got share, or it look like there is some benefit on the horizon. Anyway, that's not my problem still, because I'm not there. You don't know. See, rather make reference to the British youth them, because the British youth them are Jamaican. They can't take that from them, no matter where. Like I say, all the grandchildren them. See the Windrush man, the man who came here on the Windrush, his grandchild today classify himself as a Jamaican. You see, he's Jamaican and Jamaican. Yeah, film culture, that. It's what he lives here. It's who he is. You know, see, him not change, him not deny that. Yeah. We all have differences and we come misunderstanding. But bottom line is, you know, this Jamaican and him Jamaicanness. You know, see. So it's a different kettle of fish. When it come on to Ahmaud Abery, nobody can, sideline or bypass the pain of the whole experience. You know, see, two man run down a youth like that and shoot him. See? Two big grown man. No, nobody now cry for help or ask for assistance from the youth. You know, see, in any case, the concern where citizens should have regarding that a young man run down the road like that, looking like that after nobody now shout for help or help, is what sort of help the person might need. Obviously, every human, any humanity, I got to think first, what kind of help we can offer. If you don't have no nasty intent in you, there is no way you're going to look on that person as an opportunity for solving a crime. And why you just randomly think, you know, see, that person is responsible for doing something bad when there is no report of anything bad happening. You know, see, immediately at the time. You know, see, and it's being observed, accepted. This observation is being accepted in the trial. You know, see, well, for the first thing we notice is that most of the broadcasts regarding the trial of Ahmaud Abery are the promoted pieces, are the piece where the defense attorney is examining the witnesses. You know, see, and you know him up. Quote them in a decent light. Most of the thing them on YouTube is this process them are sure. Them not show the process when the prosecutor cross-examine or examine any witness. As such, you have to search for that. Either come up in the feed or come up in the feed and YouTube know where them are do. See? You get what I say? The agenda know where them a do. You see, first thing them cloud it with a little boy we kill off him own a little boy, a little juvenile over there when him Rittenhouse, we shoot off some people in our crowd and I make it look like say, and I justify. What the little boy I do there? Oh, that child there going so long. Where some, I mean, a blood out of stone justice, them a try find, even when it obvious, you know, them a try squeeze stone for blood drip out of it as innocence for Kyle Rittenhouse. You know, see it? Even at this point. And the same thing with the officers them, with the two brother, the man and him son here. It worse. And the fact is America sit back, sit down, and I watch it and I accept it. Like, this is how it is. Yes, this is what they are like in America, and this is what we come to expect. And yes, this, oh my, yes. What that, I mean, vice some dirty disgust. Call names, point fingers, Rasta. And make some boy know so where you do a rank. Make some boy know so the avenue the way you go down, we know. You can't watch some man go down some avenue and then you go run and riot and burn the place and all them things that when the ass done gone through the gate, Kyle Rittenhouse walk down the road and the Mac sitting another way them name we kill Ahmaud Abery. Walk down the road at them time they don't go right. That now have nothing to do with it, just with them, you know. Babylon willing and prepared to do the repairs and put out the necessary security out there for getting off of the street and kill some of them too. Kill more black people. You don't see it. You don't see it. Under the same intent because Ahmaud Abery run down the road. Two guys run him down and kill him. No people riot, we get some more for kill. It's like we use Ahmaud Abery for catch a couple more for kill in a riot and them sort of thing there. And people still sit back and the trend just a carry on. It just a go on. You see, them things are not accepting. It's not, you can't fight for a man who come like him now fight for himself, Rasta. You see, yes, we have time after time, we have this big process and this heavy-handedness. We can't wait till that, boy, frustrating. Rasta, you gotta sit back and make a judge. A liar in the court being racist, bigoted, and things like that. And is there no provision for that guy who do that at the time there? Get some form of suspension or disbarment or banning for the pitched way. Or him look at justice and equality. That is a replication of how him perform. How him administrating duties them in the interest of justice, Rasta. You see, regardless of my defense, somebody, you cannot be discriminatory. You cannot be discriminatory openly in a public, to the world, because it is being broadcast nationally. You see, them things, it is being allowed. Him do that because he know he's allowed to do it. You see, no boy can't try that in Britain, you know. And the population of black people in Britain are big like America. No lie, you can't go up and no stand go try that in Britain, you know. Him career done. And black people now have to move a muscle for him career done. You see it? You see it? It's just the level responsibility. You see, where a guy come for know so well and is expected of him. You see it? And he have to perform and portray himself in that line there. You see it? You know, use now a subject called people are make a divert to the facts well then. Ahmaud Abery have mental issues. How on earth that help the case? And you know, here the prosecutors rebuttal to that, because if a man have mental illness, if somebody sick, a Britain, seen, and him attack you, and you attack him back, or whatever, beat him up and all them things there. Remember me I tell you, you know, whether you didn't know or not, the man they have mental issues, you know. Worse than the case than the man now provoke you, and you go provoke him while he react to the pressures of him illness. Because that's how now go with this, you know. So him did have a breakdown at the time and I run up and down and people are running him down. See, but it obviously never did I run him down for help him. And it's obvious even in the guy them statement and in them defense man the stand in a court. The intention wasn't to help a man who look like he's in distress. You see it? The intention was that they automatically assume that this man is a criminal because I'm complexion Rasta. I want to chase him down and upset him even further. In the upset state where I'm in, I want to further amplify the psychosis where I got through. See? And even when him resisted so many times, none of these times I want to pick up on this guy. I say, him not appear to be aggressive towards us. Him look like he's trying to get away from us. So we could leave this guy or watch him until the police come. This guy don't look right. You want to tell me, say, the justice system in America now observe them principally regarding mental health issues? Where's the gray area? Where's the guideline where the community is supposed to go by regarding people who suffer with mental health issues? You see it? Is it open season on them to do as you please like them or any regular people like them now suffer? Would you do that to a cancer patient, somebody with HIV or something like that? We don't understand. We don't understand even the defense bringing this subject up as a defensive tactics, and the prosecutor slung there and allow it for sly and not say and the guilty verdict that the guy that just present to her what going in America regarding justice. I mean, this guy was murdered in the street. Open season on camera. A man still there. A claim say the youth a fight them for the gun. The youth see on this side of the truck and run to the other side and try to get away. And you go meet him out round this again. You further pursue him on foot and I said and you claim say the man attack you. Them disgusting level of argument are allowed to be permitted in the air. You know, see it? That's how ignorant this world have us. Because them knowing that them community, majority of the people of consequence who would challenge these type of arguments. I just gonna turn a blind eye, thinking, oh, they're just black people. Anyway, you see, that's how we cause on confident and respectful intelligence. I'm not confident in the self say, full intelligent people, I'm just turn them back. But these are just a bunch of ignoramus so we don't have to use much imagination into trying to trick I lie to these people. How the hell that fly? I'm tell you something. If a man come in your house in a Britain come rob you, and him sister you're in there, when him a rabbit and start to run out. If you attack that man, anything where you do to him, you're liable for a charge fee. You know, see it? From a man I run from you if you just make him go on. From a man run up on you with a knife or a gun, and you have your knife or your gun in a Britain, and that man realize and turn back and run the other way, and you shoot him in his back or stab him in his back or anything. Prison you gone for murder, Rasta. The consequence, the facts are well then, the man attack you or provoke you, no exist no more. You know, see it? Because the split second when you see the man turn back, your brain tell you say, all danger, all threats to you has been diverted or been averted, regardless. You know that, and the advantage you take now of somebody who, you know, basically incapacitated because if a man nah look your way or position himself to attack you, him is no threat to you, him is no danger to you, him don't even know why you have prepared for him. So it's a coward act to be fair. You see? Yeah, but some man do it and get away or whatever, however. You see? But the facts are well, and this man up on the street in the public. You know, see, and I suffer a mental health breakdown, quote unquote, according to how the defense attorney try and make it look. You know, see, and then now, it's supposed to be credible reason why a murderer feel threatened, feel life. Boy, I may tell you, when you're black, there's no escape, Rasta. You know, see, so the system and the judge, everybody just slung down and allow all them either thing if it happen, because all of this create a certain thing in the mind of the jury, them, the public, and all of them thing there. You see, this shouldn't be allowed, Rasta. I don't think all them line of argument they should be allowed. And if a bigoted, dirty judge want to allow it, Where is the group? Where is the organ that exists outside our court in representation of black people? You see, that's gonna make the right steps and the right demand and ask for you know, better in the interest of justice for our people. You see, American black youths are some of the most powerful black people on the planet, Rasta. And yet still, the black community of America go through the worst abuse on the planet, apart from Africa and in the Arab region. Them. You know, see, the thing about it is that America does not miss an opportunity to exploit this fact. I mean, literally use it as an advert. This is how we treat black people. You know, see, with the slave movies on the news, in the courts. You know, see, like particularly what going on with Ahmaud Abery. You know, see, a couple of years back, the man them even have a black grand jury judge or leader, head feet, who used to where they got all of the police them where get called up for, you know, unjustified questionable black shootings and things like that. You know, see, and it's a disgrace. You know, see, it's a disgrace. Members of a community should be scared to be hypocrites of such magnitude, Rasta. Members of a community should know. You know, see, they are members of our community. You know, see. But the hypocrisy, the need for greed, personal ego, and the man who wants to be the man, always want to be the man, the only man, with about or regarding knowledge that was bestowed upon us by our elders. You see, that designed a document that was orchestrated and left for all of us, and some of us read it and understand it. You see, you have a man that claims it right now, like I feed them, like them are the original for the whole development concept of the black agenda. And all of them things are setbacks, real true setbacks regarding any unity or any development. And then I devise them and them know. That's why I'm not trust most of them come like say, I pay them get you know, them I take a reward for maintaining the agenda where black people is in the state of mind of them, you know. You see, yes, Rasta. You see. So while my heart goes out for the family, Ahmaud, Abery family, and for every black man right across the world, you see, and in America too, I honestly think, Rasta, more needs to be done by the community, for the community, Rasta. You know, have things change. You know, see, oh, I out there and a ball for a man pain when a man in the fire stand up. And now do nothing about it, not even a try move. You know, it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense, Rasta. So I give thanks, you know. Share, like, and subscribe in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty. And let it not be said that I am not love, appreciate, and emulate my American brothers them just like my own. You see, if you just watch where a man do for himself, I give thanks.